charges either they will attract or they will repel each other by a force. Force is directly proportional to the charges q1 q2, product of the masses like product of the charges. In Coulomb's law, sorry, gravitation law, what distance square is inversely proportional? It is inversely proportional to the distance square, distance or r square, whatever you. So if we want to remove this proportionality, what we have to add one constant, one
Constant.
1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. It is known as this constant. Okay, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. Okay,
X7.
q, yes, epsilon 0, q1 q2 by d square or r square, whatever you say. We will take mod. Why we will take mod? Because charges are positive, charges are negative also. Correct na? So
Yes.
positive charge or negative charge, what we will take? Mod, force. But like charges, please understand, like charges, like means both positive charges or
Both.
both negative charges, what they will do? Attract or repel?
At, they were repelled.
Repel, yes. Positive repels, negative repels. Then what about the negative positive opposite charges?
Attract.
Attract. But force magnitude will be remain same like this one. Is it clear? Suppose it is minus 4 coulomb charge plus 5 coulomb charge. 20 by some distance. Okay. But magnitude we will calculate from this formula only. Is it clear?
Okay, so you don't take minus 20, you take 20.
Yeah. And we will say it is a attraction, force of attraction.
Attraction.
Let us say this is a q1 charge and this is a q2 charge. q1 q2, this is the positive charge, this is the negative charge. It is their distance at the distance of r. Their distance of r.
R.
What will be the force between these two? Please tell me.
Force will be 1 divided on 4 pi x.
Epsilon
What did
0.
you say? X.
0. Yeah.
Epsilon 0.
Or you can say k. K q1.
Q1, Q2 divided on R squared.
Yeah.
And then
K value, this K value is equals to 9 into 10 over 9. 9 into 10 over 9. Force is what? Unit is force is what?
force
Newton. So what is the unit of K?
Coulomb. 1 second. K is going to be F R squared divided on Q squared. So it's going to be Newton on meter squared on Coulomb minus 2.
Yes. I have written here. Is it clear now? Any doubt is there?
Yes.
Now my question is, what is the direction of the force? Can you mark it here on my diagram? Please mark on the diagram.
Direction of the force
Yes.
is attraction.
Please mark the diagram. Mark on the diagram.
So like this.
Yes. This is called F. Both the forces are equal, or here charges are different? Force will be equal or unequal?
Equal?
Equal, yes. Don't think that force will be unequal. Force will be equal, correct na? So that is the reason we are taking the mod. See, the one charge force is in this direction, and another charge force is in another direction. That is just call कर. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you, there are two forces is there. F1 charge force due to Q2 on F1 on Q1, correct na? Now we have studies about the magnetic field, correct na? We have studies the magnetic field.
Yes.
What about the charge? In case of charge, what happened? Electric field.
Electric field.
See, there are gravitational field, magnetic field, electric field, all are same. Force acting on unit mass. Force acting on unit mass in the case of gravitational field.
Yes.
Forgotten, you have forgotten. Magnetic field.
Yes, the force is acting.
Force is acting. So here also charge, suppose one charge is there. Let us say Q charge is here. If we want to find magnetic field at the distance of point P, what is the magnetic field?
Magnetic field
Electric field, sorry.
is going to be electric field is going to be Q. I don't know.
Force is on unit charge. I told you, force acting on unit charge. What we will take here? One coulomb charge we will take it. Where? At this point. And the force on 1 coulomb charge will be K Q1 divided by R square, or F is becomes what? Electric field. So we will write at electric field is equal to KQ by R square. Is it clear or not?
So it's the same electric field and force.
Yes, force, electric field, what I told, it is a force. Electric field is a force acting on what? Acting on unit charge, not mass. Unit charge. Acting on unit charge. Is it clear? Charge means 1 coulomb charge. Is it clear? So what is the unit of the electric field? Newton per coulomb. Why Newton per coulomb? Suppose on 5 coulomb charge is there here, what will be the electric field? You will first calculate the force on 5 coulomb and then divide by coulomb 5. Am I right or not? For getting.
Okay.
So electric field, now the electric field is direction. Suppose the positive charge is here. What is the direction of the electric field? Please tell me.
If positive charge is here.
See, the positive, they will repel each other, na?
So it's going to be outside.
Out this side, correct? If suppose, then how you will represent the diagram here? Suppose like the magnet, we are drawing the line, electric magnetic field line, like that. Here what we will draw? Electric field line. How we will draw electric field line? Please tell me. Like this. Am I right? Not like
in all directions.
all the direction na. What does it means, this line?
Field,
What is
direction of the force
direction of the force? On what?
on charge.
On charge. If we keep one charge here, 1 coulomb charge, then the direction of the force will be this way. Is it clear or not?
Yes.
This field is created by what? Whom? Positive charge or negative charge?
This field positive charge.
Yes, this field is for positive charge. Good. Very good. You told you are not knowing, but you are knowing. Good. You are knowing. See, just try to draw the magnetic field due to this negative charge. Can you draw?
It's going to be the same, just going inside.
Yes, they are going inside. Correct, na? Okay. Now suppose one quick objective questions. I am asking more questions. Okay. Yeah. This is also negative charge. Can you see this two diagram, and can you tell me which charge is more stronger? Let us number it 1 and 2. 1 is this one and 2 is this one. Which charge is more
Stronger.
Which charge is bigger? By seeing this diagram, can you say something or no? Can't decide.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know.
Yes, tell me.
You draw more lines here, but I don't think it's. No, I don't know how to tell.
More lines if densest of line. Density, more density means lines are more nearer. It means this charge is more. It is more, yes.
Okay.
Q2 is greater than Q1. Is it clear? Suppose in this electric field, suppose here at this point electric field is, listen carefully my questions, okay? Electric field at this point P is 5 Newton per coulomb. How much?
5 Newton per
coulomb. If I put one charge here, how much charge shall I put it? Let us take it 50 coulomb charge. What will be the force acting on this 50 coulomb charge?
Force is going to be 1 Newton.
Force is going to be 1 Newton. How?
No, not. You need to wait. Electric field, you said
5 Newton
is equal 5 Newton.
Yeah.
So what are you asking?
Force on 50 coulomb charge.
250.
How you got it?
I need to multiply electric field on the charge.
Yes, very nice.
So electric field is equal to F divided on Q.
Electric field is equal to F divided on Q. And F is equal to E times Q. Very simple formula. Is it clear? Or any doubt?
No.
Now, can you tell me, if two charges are there, how the electric field will be distributed? Can you draw this one? Suppose there are both positive charge. Can you draw the electric field lines due to both these charges? Let us try.
So it's gonna be going outside
Hmm.
like this.
Hmm.
Maybe it's gonna be going. I mean, it's supposed to repel.
Hmm.
So I don't know, honestly. Maybe like
Then
this.
just try now. Yes, 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 you are right. Why?
Because it's repelling. So it's gonna like this.
You have just guessed it, but you have not given the proper reply. Can you modify your reply?
Because the electric field is gonna be like from plus charge, it goes outside,
Hmm.
and then this charges. This electric field is gonna
No.
charge of
No.
one
What is the
electric
definition
field.
of the electric field? First, you tell me. Electric field means we will see. Listen. Please listen. Electric field means we have to. 1 second. Let me take something. Suppose this is my unit charge. Can you see? Correct?
Yes.
This is the unit charge. For getting electric field, keep one charge in your hand ready and put the charge where you want to find the electric field. Wherever you want to put the electric field. Keep one charge, unit charge is ready. Listen, here you read what charge you have put here? 1 coulomb charge. Now how many force is acting here? This is the positive. This will repel. This force will be repel this charge. Correct? This also put one force here. Which direction? It will also repel. What happened? These two charge will be get F1 and F2. Both are acting in opposite direction. What happened? Two forces are acting on. They will cancel each other.
Cancel. Yes. If they are the same.
Same. Yes. If they are the same. If more is there, then I will take you. Suppose it is the same. Then it will be what happened? The field line will be get disturbed. Correct or not? Is it clear or not?
Okay. Yes.
It means if I put one unit charge, my unit charge, you see my unit charge. This charge I will keep here. It means it is getting a force in this direction. If I put one unit charge, correct na? This unit charge I have to put for getting the electric field at particular that point.
Okay.
Correct? Now you tell me, if you told that both are unit positive charge, suppose one charge is stronger, how that is there? Suppose this is one bigger charge. How the electric field line will be there? Both are positive. Please tell me.
So if I put here a unit charge, so force 1 is gonna be like this, but force 2 is gonna be like this, and it's gonna be bigger.
Bigger.
So this is gonna be going like, I don't know, like this.
Yes, this will be a smaller line. Correct na?
Oh, sorry.
Is it clear? But this line will be line coming from this charge will be more bigger, more going to the closure of this charge. Am I right? Because the force is also depending on the distance. If distance are more, force will getting less na. See, there are two ways of the increasing the force. Either you increase the charge or reduce the distance. Am I right? So like this it will be happen. How? This way. Is it clear? No field lines should be intersect each other. This line, this is the wrong. If they say this is the wrong. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now if two charges, opposite charges are there, can you draw the electric field line for these two?
Mhm. So this is going to be going outside, and this is force, and this is force going inside. So it's gonna be like it's supposed to go like inside, like this.
You draw, complete your draw, then I will.
I don't know for sure. I
See,
forgot.
you are not keeping your ready-made charge. This charge you are not putting in your hand and put there. You
Okay.
feel where
This
which
this is
this is the positive charge. Now you think over which direction force will work here.
force will work like this.
This is the positive, this is the negative charge. Which direction force will work here? Please tell me.
Um, force is gonna. This is gonna repel,
Yeah.
and this is gonna.
Yeah. So it means it is going like this. Field line is going this.
Like this. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes.
Is it clear? Like this,
Mm.
like this, like this. Is
Mm-hmm.
it clear
Mm-hmm.
or not clear? Please tell me.
Yeah. Yeah. Clear.
So electric field magnitude you are clear. Electric field direction are you clear? Please tell me now. Electric field is a vector quantity or scalar quantity? Think and then tell me.
A vector.
Vector quantity. Very good.
Mm-hmm.
Now in these topics we are going to utilize what? Vector knowledge. Knowledge of?
Vector.
Yes. Suppose here there are 2-3 charges are there. This is a square. Square means all side is A.
Mm-hmm.
If I put Q coulomb charge everywhere, positive Q coulomb, can you tell me what is the net force at this point? Net electric field at the center of this square.
At this point.
Electric field E at O. How you will calculate?
Uh-huh. I mean so the charges are all positive, so they all gonna repel each other.
Okay, my question you understood or not?
Yeah, yeah, I understood. I'm trying to think. It's gonna be 0.
Very nice. You are right. But how you got it 0? Suddenly you told 0. Just guess it or?
No, because it's gonna be like basically it's gonna
See,
be going like this vector, like this.
see,
Like it's gonna be going all in different directions, so it cancel each other.
no, you are wrong. I am talking at O. You think about at O. Don't think about on this chart.
So okay, so it's gonna be like this.
You are going like this, and because their distance is equal, charges are equal. So
Yes,
this
yes.
opposite force cancel.
Cancel. Yeah.
This and this. How many force will work on the center?
4.
4.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear now?
Yes, yes.
Good. Now electric potential. What is the electric potential? Can you tell me?
electric potential is like field working on unit mass.
Electric pot.
No, on unit charge. Field.
See the electric potential. You remember a gravitational potential. Potential is related with energy, na? You have forgotten. I think you have not revised. Gravitational you have not studied properly. Am I right? Or you have forgotten? Gravitational potential, energy.
Yes, yes.
Similar things is here also. What is the electric potential? Force acting on the unit charge. Oh, not sorry. Electric potential. Electric potential. See, suppose a charge is there here. What charge I have taken here? Q charge. It may be anything. Correct, na? Let us say some point we will take this one distance. What we want here? What we want to calculate here? Electric potential. What we have to do? A unit charge. What? Unit positive charge. Which charge?
Unit positive charge.
We have to bring from where? Like gravitational potential, we have to bring the object from the which point? Infinity to that point. You remember?
Yes.
Similarly, 1 unit coulomb charge. This unit coulomb charge we have to bring from the infinity to this point. Some energy is required, some work is required or not for bringing this unit charge?
Yes.
That is called as electric potential. Electric
potential.
Shall I write here? Electric potential. See, unit means 1 coulomb. Unit charge. Unit which charge you want to bring? Positive or negative? Positive. Unit positive charge. Unit positive charge. Amount of work done required to bring unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Is it clear? How much it will be? It will be similarly what in gravitational potential, please tell me. Gm minus Gm by R, it was there, na? Gmm. If gravitational potential M1 M2, but M1 M2 is 1, so Gm1 R, correct or not? Similar here also, what will happen, please tell me. Electric potential generally denoted by U is equal to very similar KQ1 by R. See, so similar.
Okay.
You need not to see. That is the reason I am taught you first gravitational, now these topics, so that your formula should be similar and you will set your minds. Means it is easy for understanding. Correct, na? Both topics you can understand simultaneously. Now suppose This is the electric potential. Now suppose there are two charges is there. What is the, sorry, first you tell me what is the unit of this one. What is the unit of,
What electric potential
yes,
is going to be 1 second. Newton is going to be Newton divided on meter.
Newton divide on meter, from where you have to, just anything you have to know.
Okay, wait 1 second. No. Um, 1 second.
Yeah,
So it's going to be Newton meter on Coulomb.
Newton meter.
Newton.
You are
Yes, Newton meter on Coulomb -1.
very good. You have you have applied your mind. Work done. You have taken first. Correct, na? What is the Newton meter? What is the unit of your Newton meter?
Work done.
Yes. Generally, Newton meter is equals to joule. Joules. Correct, na? Joules per coulomb.
Joules per Coulomb.
Joule is the energy. Correct, na? Because work is done is nothing but work done is also a type of energy. Is it clear? Now suppose there are two charges. In the case of earth we have taken two masses. Am I right, na? Now
M1, M2.
M1, M2. What is the gravitation? In this case, what will happen? Gravitational potential energy. See, potential includes with energy. In this case, what happened? Electric potential energy. See, so similar. Electric potential energy. It means what happened here? Q1 will be there, here Q2 will be there. These two charge system we will call as it is system. Why it is system? Here we have Q2, means we have brought Q2 charge from infinity to this point. Correct? Q2 charge to this point. We have did some work. Now it means it is having, they are having some energy. If we leave these two charge, they will again go to the infinity. Am I right or not? They will go or not?
Yes.
Why? Which force they will do? Because the Q1 is positive, it will repel. It will send back to this charge to infinity. Is it clear? So please state,
Yes.
electric potential energy is equal to K Q1 Q2 by
M.
by
No, by
by
distance
distance. Yes. Which distance?
between them.
Between them.
So how do you denote it? Electric potential energy, EP.
Electric potential energy, generally you just see the what different books is generally it is, you see your book and then tell me. Generally U is there, V, electric potential B, and electric potential energy is U. Okay, and one more unit I forgot to taught you. This is the electric potential joule per coulomb. Sometimes it is written as volt. This is the volt. What is the volt? You are written. You have known now that 6-volt battery, 10-volt battery. That is the same electric potential. Is it clear? So we have studies.
So electric potential, they put V?
Yeah, electric potential unit is volt.
No. I'm asking how they write.
Yes,
Write
yes,
V
yeah,
electric.
capital V.
Mm-hmm.
And they have written here U. I think generally U. I am learning that U. And generally you are writing U, capital U. But I am not seen. You can confirm me. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now tell me, what are the things we have till now we have learned? Electric force.
Mm-hmm.
Please tell me, what are the things we have learned?
Electric force, potential, electric potential energy,
See, one thing you have forgotten.
electric field.
Electric field. Now, what is the relation between is these two? E is equal to minus dv by dr.
Mm-hmm.
Minus dv by dr.
dr.
What is the dv by dr means?
Electric V is differentiation. Electric potential on distance.
Yes. Or change of potential during the small distance. Change of potential
Mm-hmm.
during the small distance,
Small
dr.
So change of potential during small distance is electric field.
Electric field. Or you can say otherwise, rate of change of uh, rate of change of electric potential with respect to distance. Rate will
Mm-hmm.
not come. Rate will come generally on the time. Okay, so we will take some questions now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
we will take some questions because I have already discussed the vectors, so this topics is very easy for you. See, listen, this topics is going to use vectors.
Mm-hmm.
Vectors you are very familiar.
Mm-hmm.
These topics we are going to use this whatever the this one similar to the gravitational gravitational. Okay, gravitation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so let us take some questions.
In this book there's electric dipole.
Electric dipole is nothing but positive and negative dipole, that I will discuss. No problem.
I don't know which question.
See, there are two things is a line charge distribution, DL. Okay, the charge distribution shall I tell you? This is a very surface charge distribution. Okay, volume charge. Two, three things, just three things I will explain you. Then I will go for the course.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Very simple things is there, nothing. It is just we have to apply our mind.
Mm-hmm.
See, there is a one things is there line charge distribution. What it is there?
Mm-hmm. Line charge distribution.
Line charge distribution. What is the line charge distribution?
How charge is distributed
Yes,
on
how
the
charge is distributed. Suppose the wire is there. Here uniformly charge is distributed. Uniformly Suppose this wire length is L. Okay, length is L and total charge is Q. Total charge is, so what is the charge per unit length? Lambda Q by L is called as Q by L.
Q by L is
Lambda, that is called charge distribution per unit length or charge density per unit length. What I will say? Charge density per unit length. Is it clear? No,
Yes.
charge unit. Suppose if I take 5 meter of this length, what I will multiply by 5, I got the charge. Correct na? Suppose this is a wire. I know the lambda. If I multiply this length with the lambda, I can get the value of charge on this pen.
Of charge.
Am I right or not?
Yes.
So that is the use of this line charge distribution. Second thing,
Okay.
second thing is surface charge distribution. Surface. Suppose this is what here? This is a plane.
Yes.
This is a plane. Correct na? It may have some area. Make it draw. Surface. Now I am discussing surface charge distribution. Because it is a plane area. You look here. Surface. This is the surface.
Yes.
Surface means everywhere uniform charge is distributed here.
So you take Q divided.
Yes, very good. Surface charge Q divided on area. What is called?
It's also lambda.
It is not lambda. Lambda generally we will use different symbol. What is the symbol is used in the book? Okay, first I will write what is this one. This is called charge density per unit area. See, everywhere charge density I am writing. This is also charge density per unit length is there. This charge density is your
per unit
charge density per unit area. Is it clear? Now this is there. What is called solid ball. Charge is distributed all along the volume. That is called what? Volume charge density.
Volume.
Yeah. And formula will be Q by V. Is it clear now? Now you told symbol. Let me see what symbol they have used.
They just use E, L, E, V, you know, E, S.
Okay.
E line, L, E, S surface, E, V volume.
Okay.
But they also use this lambda.
Lambda is charge per unit length always.
Okay, but they have like a very hard they write formula with integration.
Yes, for this also you can write the formula dq, charge by dA, dq by dA, dq by dV. Correct na? Means small volume. If this formula, see, differentiation formula will use when charge is not uniform. Is it clear? Then what we will do? We will take small portions and then we will take the small area. That is called this one. Correct or not? Okay, let us do some questions here. Take some questions here. Any first topics you take the questions. Please take the question and upload it. Any 4-5 questions you take it, upload it. We will do it.
They have also some electric flux.
Electric flux I
Oh
will
my God.
discuss. No problem. Okay,
One
electric flux you
second.
want to discuss. Very simple.
No, I mean, I don't know. I'm just saying that they have, like, I don't know, the questions that they.
Okay, you don't. I will. Shall I take or you want to take?
I can take.
See, this is the chapters. It becomes very easy now due to you have studied the vectors. You have studied the gravitational potential. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
25, 26, 27 numbers you take page number 35 here.
Page number 30.
25, 26, 27, 28, whatever it is there, you can take it. 31 is also very important. 31 is also very good. Medical gallery, you can take it. 1, 2.
Mm-hmm. The thing is that medical gallery, they have, first question they have about dipole.
No problem, no, leave it. No. Acha, this is torque is also there. Okay, leave. 25, 26, 27, 20, you take it.
Yes, I'm taking.
Yeah, first we'll go to the basic questions, then we'll go to dipole.
Okay. This, I downloaded this question. You see
No,
it?
it is loading from my side. Okay. Yes, loaded. Yeah, can you read it? 25 number, can you read it?
Yes. 1 second. So 2-point charges Q, 2Q are placed some distance apart. If electric
You
field
want to
and the
do,
location
you want to do in front of me? Q is there, 2Q is there. Correct na? Place some distance apart.
yes,
Okay, we don't know the distance.
uh-huh,
If the
yes.
electric,
If the electric field location Q B E, then location and the location 2Q, electric field
see at this location, electric field is how much? E.
E.
And it this location, and then the location 2Q. At this location, what is the electric field? Very simple.
Uh, is going to be electric field.
Hmm.
Electric field is the same? No.
See at
Force divided on, so it's going to be E divided on 2.
no, at this point electric field will become for this charge na, due to this charge. Let us say this is the distance is r, so let us say E1 and E2. First you tell me E1 is equal to how much? E1 is E, and this formula should be how much? 2, sorry, K, please tell me, K, Q not, Q, we want here na, so 2Q we will take now due to this charge.
K 2Q divided on R.
This is equal to E. What about the E2?
E2 is equal to KQ divided on R.
KQ divide on R. Now you see 2K.
So E2 is equal to E divided
Very
on
good.
2.
Just check up the answer.
Okay.
Just check the answer.
Which one is this? One second, I need to understand which question. 25?
Yes.
It says D. How is it possible
Oh, D.
It's it says none of
Yes,
this.
you are right. I have taken only this one G2 charge E2. See, please listen. At this point, the distance is due to Q charge. What will be the electric field at this point? R is become 0 for this one. Suppose charge is here, point is also here.
Mm-hmm.
So electric
Distance is
0. So for this distance, what is the electric field? E is equal to E. E is equal to how much? E1 is equal to E is equal to this electric field K
Mm-hmm.
2KQ by R plus electric field at E1 due to charge Q1. Same charge.
But it's zero.
Correct. So we will 0 we will put na. K
Mm-hmm.
Q. Listen. See here. K Q. No. Just K Q by R is 0. Listen. See, first of all, I made the mistake. You are also not notice. Electric field case R square will be there, not R. R will be 0. What will be happen? 0 at the bottom. Infinity. Is it clear? So there will be E will be infinity. No, that is not there. Correct na? None of these will be there. Is it clear?
Yes.
26 number can you do?
26. A ball with charge minus 50 E is placed at the center of a hollow spherical sphere, a shell. Has a net charge of minus 50 E also. Hollow spherical shell. What is the charge on the shell's outer surface?
See, a ball with charge negative E, 50 E, is negative 50 E is here. And this charge is felt in the
There's also like a sphere, and it's around it, and it has a charge minus 50 also.
Yes.
And they're asking charge on the shell's outer surface.
Yes.
Okay, I don't understand.
See, this is the again it is there, correct na? So 50 E charge is placed at the center. Hollow spherical cell has net charge. Hollow spherical, a ball with charge placed at the center of a hollow cell has a net charge 50 E minus 50 E. What will be the charge on the cell of outer surface? outer. Just you see the D is their answer. Then I will explain you. Just see the answer.
Okay. Yes, yes,
D is
D.
there.
Mm-hmm.
I will explain you. See, whenever you charge give inside a hollow sphere, hollow,
Mm-hmm.
if you give minus 50 charge here, minus charge, on the upper surface automatically plus charge will be developed.
Created. Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Whatever charge inside is there, same charge is on the face will come, but
Mm-hmm.
with positive sign. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Now how much charge is there? 50e at the center we have given 50e, and on the
Mm-hmm.
inside we have given how much? 50e. So total charge is
Mm-hmm.
inside is 100 coulomb, 100e minus.
Mm-hmm.
Am I right or not?
Mm-hmm.
So what is the total surface total charge come on the surface?
It's going to be
Plus 100e.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
Mm-hmm. Yes. So when there's like a hollow sphere, it's like always, for example, if you have inside, you have positive charge, outside is negative
Outside
charge
is negative
created.
charge. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Next.
Question 27.
Hmm.
Mass
Hmm.
M is 20 gram. Has a charge Q is 3 millicoulomb. It moves with mass M charge. It moves with velocity of 20 meter per second.
Hmm.
Enters a region of electric field of 80
Per
Newton
coulomb.
per
Yes.
coulomb. In the same direction as the velocity of the mass.
Have you understood the question or not? You first you try to draw the diagram. If I tell na, then you will not put your mind. Just let me put the question here. Hmm. Can you draw the some diagram for this one? Question number 27.
So I need to see how much force is going to be on this particle. How much electric force. So there's a there's the field, electric field, like
Hmm.
this. And some particle is also entering, is also going in the
Same direction. Very good. You have understood the question.
same direction.
Then what happened?
It goes into this field now.
Yes. What happened? Which direction it will move? Same direction force will act on the same direction, or it will be act on the other direction. Think and then tell me.
It's a positive charge.
Yes.
So and I think the same direction.
Hello.
No, it's gonna go different direction.
हेलो पूजा तो कर दो जरा. हेलो. Yeah, sorry, I told something. Yeah, have you earned? Can you hear me?
So it's gonna go yes,
Hmm.
yes. So it's gonna go not in the same direction
Why?
because positive charge.
See, I told what electric field what will do. Suppose I told you just put your electric field a charge. What will be happen on this charge? If you put a charge, this charge on the electric field, what happen?
It's gonna get
Force.
force.
Which direction? In the electric field direction?
Yes.
You have just seen electric field. It is nothing but the force acting on this unit charge. If suppose you put Q charge, then electric field times Q will be the net force on this charge. Which direction? In the direction of electric field if it is positive charge. If it is
Positive.
if it is negative charge, then
Then
opposite. Very good. You are applying your mind very nicely. Please, but little bit more is required. See, this is the direction of electric field. Is it clear? Now one charge is coming. Which charge is coming? Moving charge is coming, not stationary charge. Let me make the charge. Positive charge or negative charge is coming?
Positive.
See, the positive charge is coming here, and here also it is coming. What will happen here? Please tell me. It is moving with this velocity. What velocity? Up to this point. Up to this point.
Velocity is going to be 20 meters per second up to this point.
At, let us say, this line. Is it clear? At P. At P. Correct? Now what happen here once it is entered here? The force is acting. Which direction on this charge?
The
same direction.
Like,
suppose this.
So it's gonna get acceleration.
Yes, it's going to get an acceleration. Very nice. You are, see, so what answer I want from you is that is you have given.
So
A is equal to force over mass.
So this force is electric force is K.
Electric
force I have.
What is the forces you are having? Electric field.
So it's electric field on the
Q. What is the charge?
Charge is 3 millicoulomb.
3 millicoulomb. You have to write 3 into 10 per power minus 3. This is your force. Is it clear? Mass is given or not?
Yes.
How much?
20
You
grams.
want to put 20 or something else you will do it?
20 on 10 minus.
Yes, 20 on times minus 3. This minus 3.
So it's going to be 8 meter per second square.
Yes.
No, not 8, sorry, 12.
Correct? The velocity of mass after 3 seconds. What? See, here initial velocity.
Yes, 0.
0. Are,
not 0.
20. Yes. V initial.
So this is 20 plus 12 multiply on 3.
Time is how much? 3 seconds.
3 seconds.
So Vf, final velocity, is equal to u plus at.
56 meter per
Oh,
second.
great. You have calculated also. I am explaining. You have calculated. Good. See, here 50% you have mind apply, but not 100%. 50% you have given the solution here. Good. Good questions. This is also okay. Can you do the 28 question number 28?
Two parallel metal plates having charge plus q minus q face each other at certain distance between them. If the plates are now dipped in kerosene oil tank, the electric field between the plates will be electric field will decrease or become zero. What is this kerosene oil?
Kerosene is
What is it
oil
gonna
is
do?
just like medium. Like this in air it is there, now water or kerosene oil or petrol.
Yes, but it's kerosene oil. Is it like
Liquid petrol.
charge? Yeah, but charge is gonna go through.
Charge is going to go through.
Or is it gonna slow down or like
No,
increase
1
the
second.
speed?
Two parallel metal plate having this one. Just see the answer here. That is the question I'm having some difficulty.
C.
Decrease. Because the electric field K is equal to, what is the electric field formula? Please tell me.
Is going to be
K
electric field
Q
K
by R square.
by
R square, yeah. K is what? I told you now, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square. It is the epsilon 0 is nothing but permeability of medium, permittivity of medium, something is like that is there. Correct na? For permittivity of the air, between the air, correct na? If you put something liquid, suppose kerosene oil, so you have to multiply something epsilon R, relative permittivity of the kerosene oil. Is it clear? So you see here, you are dividing something on the bottom for relative permittivity of the kerosene. So that is the reason it is getting decreased. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, next question, please. Please, next question. Take. I will tell you some good questions here. Question number 31, it is very good questions.
Yeah, I downloaded
Okay.
31.
Then 17 question is very good. Question number 70. Yeah, please read the question number 31.
Charged. A charged block is projected on a rough horizontal surface with speed v0. The value of coefficient of friction if the kinetic energy of the block remains constant is 1 second.
Would you like to do this question? Hmm?
A charged block is projected on a rough horizontal surface with speed. The value of coefficient of friction is find coefficient of friction. Coefficient of friction is like K.
See, the charge block is projected on a rough horizontal surface. Projected means with given some velocity v0. Correct na? v0 it is going to velocity, and here electric field is also there. Please listen. Some initial velocity v0 is given. Electric field, which direction you are seeing in this diagram? Same
Same
direction.
direction.
It means if positive charge if we gives, it will force, one more force will be act here. Correct na? So what is the value coefficient of the friction? H. Q charge is there. How much is there charge? Q. Q charge is there. It means what force is working? Please tell me. On this block.
This block is working electric field.
Electric force is how much?
Is K.
No, yaar. When E is there, just multiply by Q na. E is given.
E by Q. Yes.
nahi. E by Q no. Multiply. EQ.
Yeah, multiply.
Force is equal to EQ. Tell me, what is this one? Next, what is this one it is asking? The value of the coefficient of the friction if the kinetic energy of the block remain constant. What does it mean?
Kinetic energy. So
Velocity is not changing. Very good. Velocity is not changing means what? Net force is zero. So net force
There is no acceleration.
is zero. Is it clear? What is the net force? One force is this direction. Another force is which direction?
Opposite.
Yes. This is the Fr. So you can say Fr must be equal to EQ.
I mean electric. I mean yeah.
And Fr is equal to how much, you know that? You have read. Huh? Fr is equal.
K.
No. You just remember the normal reactions, mu into mu into n. Yes. What is the normal reaction here? Mg will work down.
Mg.
So frictional force is how much? Please tell me.
Frictional force is
mu mg. You require to calculate mu. So mu
is equal to EQ divided on
very good.
mg.
See, so nice questions is there. Very good questions.
EQ also. Okay.
Correct na?
Yes.
Okay, next question.
Which one you said? 70?
Okay. हाँ
Or which
70
one?
70 you take.
32?
नहीं 32 you do your own यार. Some questions you do your own. If everything you please just go for 70.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes, please read the questions. Yeah.
Uh, two small uh, two small spherical balls, each carrying charge Q 10 minus 6 microcoulomb, are suspended by two isolating threads of equal length, 1 meter each, from a point fixed in the ceiling. It is found that equilibrium threads are separated by angle 60 between them, as shown in the figure. What is the tension between the threads?
I want you should do it. Yeah. Please do it. Please try to. I will just sit the relax mode. You understood the question or not? Or
Yes, I'm trying
you
to.
can try on your book, no problem.
Small. Mhm. Two small spherical balls, each carrying a charge Q, 10 minus 6 coulomb, are suspended by two isolating threads of equal length, 1 meter each, from point fixed in the ceiling. It is found that equilibrium threads are separated by angle 60, as shown. So basically so both of them are positive. So both of them are positive charges, so they repel and then they get fixed.
Yes, they will get fixed in this position because of the repulsion. Is it clear?
So then they're
There are how many
basically
force? Please listen. Force, you please draw the free body diagram like earlier. You remember one topic, first topics or second topics I have taught you.
Mhm,
How many force is acting on this charge?
mhm, mhm.
Mass is how much is
Force is acting
mass is given?
mg.
Mg, good. You tell me, I will write. You tell me, yes.
Okay, this is
Yes, this is the
tension.
tension.
And then there's also
Yes, electric force.
electric force going here.
Oh, great. E F Q F E, electric force. How much? You have to make only one because other is similar. Okay.
Okay.
Fe is how much? Please tell me.
Yes.
Please.
Fe is equal to
Hmm.
K on, or what do you mean? From, okay. KQ divided on
K Q1 Q2.
this L 1 meter. Q1, Q2. Yes, Q1, Q2 divided on
Why
the
1 meter you
diameter
have taken?
L square.
1 meter why you have taken?
Because it's 60, so it's all the same. 1.
Oh, great equilibrium. Your trigonometry is also become good. Very good. Trigonometry is good. You applied the formula of isosceles triangle. Correct na? Every 60, 60, 60.
Mm-hmm.
Equilateral triangle.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Please calculate the force. Q, how much you will take?
K is 9 on 10. 9 on 10 on to say 10 power 9. Q is 10 on 10 minus 6 on square, so 2 times and divide on 1. So it's equal to 9 on 10 on 9 is 10, 2 on 10 12. So this is 11. So it's 90. 90
90
Newton.
Newton.
Yes, electric
How?
force.
Q is 10 per power 10 microcoulomb.
Yes, so it's 10. So it's 10 on 10 minus 6. 10 on 10 minus 6. And then 3. So one more.
No,
Why you divide on
because
one
9
side?
is there here, 12 is there. 6 power.
3. Yes.
So 90 how it is came?
Yes. So no, not 90. No, 0.9.
Good. Now I will
0.9.
not help you. Please get that answer. Tension. 3 forces are there in equilibrium. You have to calculate.
Tension. Yes. Tension. They're asking tension. So it's going to be tension is like this. T on this cos 60. So is equal to T cos 60 is equal to mg, and T sine 60 is equal to Fe. So T sine Fe is 0.9 is equal to sine is going to be 0.9 divided on root 3 on 2. Sine 60 1.0.
Would you like my help?
Oh, 1 second. Okay, I need to try. I need to see again. For some reason, it's not coming. T is here. T. No. This is not correct. Okay, so it's going to be T is equal to Fe divided on cos 60. So 0.9 on 1, 2, so it's 1.8. B.
Good. Fe is equal to, you have did very rightly. T cos 60 is equal to, earlier what you are earlier what you have did?
Sine.
Sine, if you take, see, this is the 60 degree. Please listen.
Yeah, I know. I
So
just
this direction
did
60,
wrong.
this direction sine. Is it clear? Good. Good. Shall we do one more question?
I guess so. I don't know.
You see, you
Which
tell
one?
me, I have to open the book. I have closed the book.
I found some question. 1 second. Where is it? Oh, I found some question here. this question 8.
Okay, please put it.
I don't know if it's.
Hmm.
Charge Q is uniformly distributed. This question is
Mhm.
easy. Is uniformly distributed over a large plastic plate. Electric field at point P close to center of the plate is 10
Volt per meter. Yeah, this
10
is
volt
also
per
unit.
meter.
Please mind it. This is the also unit of electric field. Yeah.
Electric field. So if plastic plate is replaced by copper plate of the same geometrical dimension and carrying the same Q charge, then the electric field at that
Electric
point
field
will be.
depends on the not charges only, not on the plate. It will be remain same. Just see the answer.
Uh-huh.
Electric field not
It depends.
depends
Electric
on the
field,
charge.
yeah,
Yeah.
only on charge. Or wait, it doesn't depend on the Q.
Q it
Electric
depends, na.
field.
Same charge.
Oh, sorry, on the K.
K will be
Okay.
depends on the medium. Which medium?
Uh-huh.
But here the charges are nearby. It is telling not on the
Yeah, it says
same.
same C.
See, electric field will depends once this charge is deep in the kerosene bottle. Is it clear? If this charge is deep in the kerosene bottle, suppose.
Yeah, I understand. Then it's gonna change in the medium.
Yes. But if this is the charge, suppose copper, this is the made of copper. I am pointing out this is the having Q charge. How much charge it is having? Q. And it is made of copper, Cu. Copper, what is the Cu? And electric field at this point is suppose E. If this copper I have replaced with the gold, then what happened? Please tell me. Gold, what is the formula of the gold? Please tell me. AU. Good, you are good in chemistry. AU. Same distance E. What will be? It will be remain same if charge is same or different? Same.
Same.
It doesn't depends on these metals. It depends on this medium. Which medium? This medium. Is
Okay.
it understood na?
Yes, if it's in
Yeah.
air or water or.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know. Any
You
other
can take
question you found
one.
or no?
You want? Okay, take your dipole moment. You check it. I will do that one. Dipole moment. I will try. Na. What is the problem? Because medical gallery. You told na dipole. Dipole is nothing here. See, listen. Just 1 second. You listen. My just is. See, dipole moment. Suppose this is a positive charge. This is a negative charge. It becomes dipole moment. Dipole. Dipole means opposite charges with equal value. Equal charges. But you tell me,
But they're gonna.
they are opposite sign, positive negative, positive negative.
Okay.
Dipole means this is the positive, this is the negative. It becomes dipole. Is it clear? Okay, please put the question now.
electric dipole is placed at an angle 30 degree with electric field of intensity 2 on 10 5
Have you uploaded?
Newton per. Yes.
It is not. It
You
is
don't see it?
coming. Maybe coming. It may take 1 minute time. One second. Okay, you read the questions. I am reading.
So so electric dipole is placed at angle 30 degree
Which
with
page you are?
electric.
Just 1 second. Yeah, why it is not okay? Just let me upload. Yeah.
Page 51.
No, no. We cannot go different page. Okay. I will upload it. Yes. Now I can see. Yeah.
You see now? Uh-huh. Um, so electric dipole is placed at angle 30 degree with electric field intensity 2 on 10 5 Newton per coulomb. Mm-hmm. It experiences torque equal to 4 Newton on meter. Charge, find the charge of the dipole if the dipole length is 2 centimeter. Length dipole, it means distance
Yes.
between
Distance between the two
charges.
charges. Correct. No? Distance between the two charges.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Mhm. Mhm. Okay.
See, I told you electric dipole positive negative charges. Correct. I told you they are put in the electric field. First you make one electric field. You want to try or shall I do it?
No,
Yeah,
I
please
can
try.
try. Oy, oy, oy. Okay. Oy.
Today any other class is there? No. No.
No. Just have to study a lot.
Study a lot. You want to become doctor, you have to study lots. It is a very tough question. Very difficult means very difficult exam. You have to study lots.
Did you remove? I was just drawing. Did
No,
you
no, no,
remove
no.
it somewhere?
You tell me what to draw. I will draw.
Okay, you didn't see what I was doing?
No.
No? Okay, so electric field.
Just take the straight line, na. Straight line you take, na.
Ah,
You practice after the class this all this symbol. Then you will become easy. On whiteboard.
okay, so straight line,
Yes.
electric field. Um, and then there's a dipole like 30 degrees, like placed. So this is like 30
See,
degrees.
dipole is placed inside the electric field, not outside.
Inside. Okay.
See, dipole is
Oh, sorry.
nothing but take two charge. Listen, here one charge you take, one charge here you take. Okay, you join the line. This one. This line is making what? 30 degree with the electric field. Is it clear?
Yes.
This is clear. Then nothing is there now. And dipole, I told you one is positive charge, one is negative. Please make it, mark it plus Q. What is the dipole? It is given or something?
You need to find charge on dipole. So experiences a torque.
First,
So
huh?
how is it? So it means it's gonna turn.
Torque means, please tell me what is the charge. Let us name the charge first. A is this here, B is here.
So is it going to experience torque to be placed like this? So it placed like this?
You
Or no?
please, yes, you are right, but not absolutely right. Please make on the charge B which direction force will work. Please make on the force which direction on A will work.
On A, it's going to work this
This side, very nice. And B,
and this one, this.
yes. How much force?
So it's going to force is force
How much?
force is going to be Q on E.
Yes, Q on E. And on the negative charge?
On the negative charge, the same Q on E.
But in opposite direction. Am I right? What they will do? Suppose, see, listen, now you just see for 1 minute for me. See, this is the dipole, suppose. If one charge is one force is working this side and another force is working this side, what it will try to rotate her?
Yes. So,
It is called
yes.
torque.
So then it become like
Correct. We don't want to do like this. I want only torque. Torque means equal and opposite force working on an object, then force time distance between these two force. What is the distance between these two force? Torque. Distance between these two forces, not these charges.
But forces.
How much distance is there? You please find out. Force you find out.
Distance.
Like this, yes.
Okay. Okay, distance is going to be 30. It's going to be
Length of,
sine. So it's a sine 30 on.
yes,
AB.
AB distance is given, na, AB is given, na, length
Is 2
yes.
centimeter.
So AB is equal to how much?
2 centimeter.
AB is 2 centimeter, yes.
So this
B,
is
first you
is
should
one.
write the name BC. So BC is equal to 2 sine 30 is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 what?
Yes. So
Why you are telling 1 centimeter? You should convert into meter. See, please don't you. Yes. F is how much? Please calculate the F now.
F is going to be Q on Q.
E is how much?
E is 10 on 2 on 10 5.
D is how much?
Q. Q.
And D?
Okay, D is going to be 10 minus 2.
Is must be equal to torque. Torque is given here. What is the torque?
Torque is 4.
Q can you find out?
Okay, so it's going to be 4 millicoulomb. Oh, sorry, 2
Just see the answer.
2 millicoulomb.